Okay, this is my new air conditioner. It's pretty easy to install. Came up with everything for the wall, the window. I was worried about where to place it, and it has this nifty remote, and it came with the batteries. Um, you hit the power on, or you can control it on top, and this little door opens. See, it comes open by itself, and it blows. It is kind of loud, and there's the different fan speeds. That's low. You see it change it to medium, high. High is blowing. That shoots out. And then you could set it to, I guess that's dry and just a fan. I don't know all the settings yet. That's cool. Let's put it on low. This thing really does blow. I mean, it blows. And what does this button do? It shows a little muscle man. Oh, this is to the light on and off, so you can sleep easier at night. And it also shows it here too, on the front. Cool. That must be the fan speed. Is this one? And that's the temperature. See, that's the fan medium speed, and that's high. See how it changed? And you can do the same thing on here. It shows the different fan things on there. What else can I tell you? Oh, what's this muscle thing do? Let's see. It shows a muscle man. What is this? It's like it's changing the like extra cold super fast. Now the air conditioner, the fan's a little loud. You know? What's this button down here do? I know this is, I have no idea. That must be the timer. Or darker mode. I gotta read the instructions. Overall it works. And it's smaller than some of the other units, which is good. I wish I could place it better, where the hose goes in the back. It just hooks right in there. The power cord comes out, and it came with the foam insulation, several types of foam, and the window plastic panel to put it in. That's it.